Welcome to EPIT Research Private Limited. So this is Surya Prakash here to demonstrate regarding the project. So the name of the project is river cleaning robot. So here this river cleaning robot has a special ability to clean the impurities in the river, that the dust particles or the scrap materials in the rivers through this belt. So and it is been collected in this collection chamber in between here. So these are the wheels which are immersed in the water to control the vehicle motion, and it is been controlled via a wireless remote. It is been controlled via this wireless remote. So this is a joystick for forward, backward, and here we have two switches. So this switch is for the belt motion, and the second switch is to it also has a feature like this. At here we will have some bleaching solution or filter solution, so bleaching powder mixture, and this mixture, if we toggle the switch, this pump will start mixing this bleaching solution into the river to clean the water. So all the communication is in happened wirelessly via NRF communication using NRF modules here. So this is the remote and this is the receiver, and here we have the controller, and this is a battery operated vehicle. So here we have a pH measuring sensor also. So using this pH measuring sensor, we will have the pH value of the water, and that has been read into the mobile application through Bluetooth module. So let's see the working. So this is forward, okay, and backward, and left, this is left movement, and right movement, forward, backward, and left right motion using joystick control. Next we will have a belt. So this is belt. I have turned on belt. So let's see the pH. We have one more pH measuring. So this is pH tube. This is a pH sensor here. So here this is measured and represented in a mobile application. So this is serial via Bluetooth. So here we have incoming serial pH data. Now it is 3.3, and here we have the mineral water. So I am dipping it in, and if you see the pH value of this mineral water, so it is increase. So let's see the working of the pump here at here. So you see the pump has turned on, and here this is a submersible pump. So if we have the solution here, it can able to give the solution out into the river here. Okay. So that's all with the working of this project. Thank you.